In this video, we'll walk through how to check the MSKU validation process in InventoryLab while you wait for Amazon to create an offer for a newly created MSKU. MSKU validation is required for all new SKUs you create for listing on Amazon. While the validation itself happens on the Amazon backend, InventoryLab provides a visualization that allows you to monitor the process and continue adding items to a batch at the same time. After adding an item to your batch that requires a newly created MSKU, InventoryLab will submit the offer information to Amazon to begin the MSKU validation process. Once the item is added, the MSKU validation panel will appear in the Batch Details section. This panel indicates that InventoryLab is waiting for Amazon to finish creating the offer for the new MSKU. You can check the progress by clicking the Clipboard icon at the top of the Batch Details section. This Clipboard icon may display a number, which represents how many MSKUs are still waiting for Amazon to create an offer. From here, you can filter pending MSKUs by all or incomplete to focus on the items that are still in progress. While you wait for validation to complete, you can continue adding items to your batch. You can also review validation status at any time by navigating to the MSKU validation page. Click MSKU under the Clipboard icon, located between shipments and history. This page provides a centralized view of all MSKUs currently going through validation. On the MSKU validation page, you'll see confirmation details such as any warnings or listing errors, ASIN, date and time of the MSKU was created, typical wait time, actual wait time, any open batches the MSKU is in. If everything looks good, this means Amazon has successfully created the new offer under that MSKU. Once Amazon completes the offer creation, the MSKU will update automatically in InventoryLab. At that point, you'll be able to move forward to the Box It stage to assign box contents and prep your items for shipment. If an error appears on the MSKU validation page, review the message and take corrective action as needed before proceeding. That's how you monitor the MSKU validation process in InventoryLab while waiting for Amazon to create your offer. Thanks for watching and happy selling.